Fix in 5. P0606. ECM, PCM processor fault. Vehicle will not start or run properly until R. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Vehicle will not start, engine cranks but does not run, check engine light illuminated with P0606. Loss of all engine functions, engine control module programming error detected. Now the most likely causes. ECM, PCM programming error or corruption. Failed ECM, PCM reprogramming procedure. ECM, PCM module failure. Interrupted firmware update. Defective engine control module. Here's how a pro pins it down. Check engine light illuminated. Engine stalling or rough running. Hard starting or no start condition. Loss of power or limp home mode engage. Poor throttle response. Transmission shifting issues. What does it cost? Roughly varies doing it yourself, or €500 minus 1,200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Reprogram ECM, PCM using manufacturer diagnostic software and correct calibration files. If reprogramming fails, replace ECM, PCM module with OEM or remanufactured unit. Verify proper power and ground connections to ECM, PCM. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. People also ask, can I fix P0606 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0606 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0606. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.